New video. Today we are gonna be playing Animal Hospital. Okay, stop ringing the bell. Now my goal is to make it to shift 10. But today we're gonna be letting in everybody. So we're letting in everyone. So no matter if they're an anomaly or what, we're letting them in. So first day never anomalies. Okay, I'm gonna treat you. And remember guys, for the first stop putting the pet. For the first first shift, they're either gonna have dry eyes or they're gonna have a stomach ache. So I need to get that. I'm gonna go check this person right here. Check them in. Oh, stop ringing the door. It's the first day. There's no anomaly, so there's no need to check the photo. See what does the person need? Okay, we have a stomach ache, so then these herbs. Okay, now we go to okay, so this person's gonna have bright eyes since the other one has stomach ache, and then we're done for the shift. But I'm letting in everyone, so I'm letting in anomalies and everyone. Alright, guys. That concludes shift 1. The doctor is arriving. Dr. Halo is here. And, okay. This must be the... Stop yapping, bro. Stop yapping. Anyways, if things get strange, just keep working. Go, hurry. The shutters and security. Alright. Okay. Street. Animal deaths 0. Okay. Check you on the cameras. Pretty normal to me. Let me check your photo. You look normal. Okay, this person looks normal. Let's check the name. Alright, I'll be with you in a second. Anomaly. Get out of here. Yep. Oh, it's just a headbanger. Is it a headbanger? Yep. Wait, that person was twitching too. Wait. No, that was an anomaly. They were twitching. Definitely. Open the shutters now. Put this headbanger on sleeve. I'm not trying to give it coffee. I'm not trying to waste my coffee. So I'm gonna just wait for him to shatter the window. Check you. Security camera just to make sure. They look good. I'll check them in. Okay, Noah. Welcome in the hospital. Room 5. Alright, I'll be with you. Yeah, you go to room 2. Okay. organic herbs. Warnover County is NPCs are never anomalies, just so you know. The headbanger started the class and he left. We got everyone. Let's go treat him. This First Professor DNA. Warnover County needs to hurry up. He's taking forever. He has the flu. County has that guy has the flu, so. Okay, now we just gotta treat Ron from the county. While waiting for a DNA sample, I'm gonna go over here to room 5, and if you didn't know, you can go close to it. It says break toaster, and you can hold it. And look, boom. And we need a key. So that's why when Ratu comes, we gotta let Ratu's gonna ask him to come, and we gotta let Ratu in. And then he'll leave and give us a key. Alright, Fever, don't worry, I got you. Alright, shift 2 complete. Completed shift 2A. Actually, I don't think I can. Alright, let's skip Halo's yapping. Okay, now that that's over, well, I can scan for names. What should I buy? I'll buy faster computers. What happened to the hospital? Yo, look at this guy. That's definitely an anomaly. He has 3 eyes. Get out. Leave, person. Leave. What you... Bro, they can't even spell rejected, right? They don't even know how to talk. Wait, I forgot. I'm letting everyone in. I totally forgot about that. Oh my. I forgot. It's raining. What? I absolutely forgot I was doing this. Bruh. Now, let's get some. You, wait. What's your these? Okay. Why do they have those things on their... I think this is like the new event. What? What are they speaking? Like Chinese, bro? Still gotta let you in. Let me check. Is this person an anomaly? Oh yeah, they definitely are. Alright, we're still letting them in either way. I'm gonna close the door. Maybe he comes. What if he comes to try to kill him or something? Bro, what? What did bro say? Is this person an anomaly? Nah, but even though, either way, we still got him. I'm gonna get my coffee. Bro, why are they speaking different languages? They're speaking different languages. Are you serious? Go. I don't trust them, bro. Oh, I'll be speaking that language. Oh, Rathu's here. What's up, Rathu? What's good, my man? I hear things, I see things, it's a dangerous job. Rathu always says that, so let's let Rathu in. Hurry up, hurry up. Thank you, Rathu. Like I said, Rathu's NPC, so we know he. Oh, it's question mark, question mark, question mark. Same thing. So Rathu. Our roommate, we're gonna form surgery on Rathu. Right, Rathu. Hurry up. Oh, I got 2% extra for rain. That's crazy. Rathu, pick up the pace, bro. Okay. Rathu, pick up the pace. Pick up the pace. Okay, bro, sleep. Ivy, boom. Boom. Everybody like boom. Boom. Oh. Rathu. Rathu. I just killed a fish. Medium lower. Are you serious? Oh my. Wait, does that not... Oh, I think you needed this. Antibiotics. Rathu. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you in the next one. Peace.